Hello. This time we are going to learn numbers. Try to count with me. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. How do you show the numbers with your hand? In China, we use this finger to show 1, and then 2, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and many ways for 10, 10, or 10, and some people will show like this, 10. And let's learn more. In Chinese, it's easy to count continuously. 11 is 10 and 1. So you just say 10 first, and then plus 1 as 11. 12, of course, that's 10 and 2. So that's 12. Now can you try to go on? 13, 13, and then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And let's go on. How about 20? That's 2 tens. So say 2 first and then 10. 20. And then add 1. That's 20 and 1. That's 21. And 22. 22. Can you try to go on? 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And we can still go on. 30, that's 3 tens. So say 3 first and then 10 as 30. And 40, 40, 50, 50. Can you try to go on? 60, 70, 80, 90. Can you try 99? Yes, that's 99. If you want to practice, let's play a game. That's called Don't Say 7. You can play it with your friend. You will count the number one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you come to 7, don't say it. You clap your hand and let it go. Pass to the next one to say 8. So for example, I will say 1 first. 1, you will say 2. I will say 3. You will say 4. And my turn, 5. And you, 6. For me, you will say 8 this time. And I will go on, 9. And you, 10. The red number here is about 7. Sometimes it includes 7. For example, 17, 17, or 27, 27. And you can't say the multiple of 7. For example, 14, 14, and 21, 21, 21, and also 28, 28. Now, let's see how much can you go on. 谢谢，再见。